Welcome back to Tech. In this tutorial, we'll be going over packages in Python. In the last tutorial, we talked about modules. So this package is a more complex file structure consisting of multiple modules within one folder. So imagine that you have a very large application, and each part of the application you want to store it in a different folder. So that folder, it is a package. So from that folder will contain different Python files which we discussed. They're called modules. So a package is a folder containing Python modules. So let's see how you work with packages in Python. So I'll just open up my Visual Studio Code. So here is where we left off from last time. So we have a basic calculator where we have different modules that we import from. Now let's take this further. Let's imagine that we want to keep each of these files inside of its own folder, which is called a package in Python. So let's do that. So in here, I'll create in a folder and I'll call it add folder, or let's call it add package. Okay, I call it add package, and I'll create a new one. I'll call it sub package, and then I'll create another one. Okay, I'll create a new one. Sorry, what's this one? In here, I'll create a new one. Okay, I think we have everything. So let's move in sub in there, and then let's move addition into the addition package. Okay, we've done that already, so let's minimize this, and then okay, let's create also one for the UI. So it's a UI package. Okay, so now let's move no, I've done a mistake. I've done a file. So in here, I'll create a new one. It will be called UI package. So inside of the UI package, we'll move our UI module inside there. So now we have three modules. Let me just close these guys up. We have three packages, sorry. The UI package, the sub package, and the add package. Okay, so the add package contains the add module, the sub package contains the sub module, and then the UI package contains the UI module. Now after we have done this, that is Python does not recognize this as a packages. So for Python to recognize these folders as packages where you can import modules from, we need to take one more extra step. So inside of each of these folders, we are going to create a special Python file which is called _init __.py. What this does, it will just be empty for now because it contains nothing. So this just tells Python that this specific folder, it is a Python package, not a normal computer folder. So Python will recognize this as a package. So we need to do this for all the others. So to do this, we just have to say _init __.py. Okay, so this basically tells Python that it should treat that folder as a package and not a file. _init __.py. Okay, so now we have all our packages set up. Now Python recognize all of these folders as packages. Now to import from them, we need to say from the package name, which is from add package, we want to import addition. But if you look closely in add package, we don't have any module named addition, but we have a module named add. So you have to say from add package dot add. You see, Visual Studio gives you a suggestion dot add import addition. So we're telling Python, go into addition package, find a module named as add. From that module, import the function addition. Okay, that's what we are doing. That's what we're telling Python to do. So also go here from this package dot sub import subtraction. Also UI package dot UI import UI. So that's how we work with packages in Python. So if I run this application, it should still work just like it was before. So okay, 29 will minus we'll subtract, so we get 1 because 30 minus 29 is 1. So that's how you work with packages in Python. So there are also other inbuilt libraries, and to import from these inbuilt libraries we use the same techniques. Like in the previous tutorial I have showed you how to import from the date library in Python. So to do this we just call this test.py. so I'll just open it up. So to import from Python inbuilt libraries we use the same technique as we did here. So we can just say from date time import date time. Okay, this is one of the inbuilt libraries in Python. There are many other inbuilt libraries. There is the OS library, there is SQLite library, the deep math library, there's a functools library. There are many libraries. So this is just an example of how to import from an inbuilt Python library. So this datetime is an inbuilt Python library that is used to work with dates in Python. So you're saying from datetime, which is the name of the library, import a function named as datetime. So datetime, this is actually a class which has other methods. So we can say now this will return to us the current date. Okay, so now it is 2020, this one at this specific time. Okay, so you work with you can work with inbuilt Python libraries. Okay, so this is how you can import them. So there are many different libraries that go and explore them and see how you can work with different import statements, how to work with modules, and how to work with packages. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section below, or you can follow me on Instagram at FreezoTech. Thanks for watching.